Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're going to break down an essential concept in the blockchain universe, nodes. So, whether you're a crypto enthusiast, a tech-savvy individual, or just curious about how blockchain works, you're in the right place. Let's get started. But first, let's ask ourselves a crucial question. What exactly is a blockchain node? And how do these nodes contribute to the overall functioning of a blockchain network? To understand blockchain nodes, we first need to know what a blockchain is. At its core, a blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions across many computers. But it's the nodes that make this possible. A blockchain node is essentially a computer that participates in the blockchain network. Each node maintains a copy of the entire blockchain and works to validate and relay transactions. Nodes can be categorized into two main types, full nodes and lightweight nodes. Full nodes store the entire history of the blockchain and validate transactions independently. They play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the blockchain. For example, in the Bitcoin network, full nodes verify every single transaction and block, ensuring that no fraudulent activities take place. On the other hand, lightweight nodes, also known as SPV nodes, don't store the entire blockchain. Instead, they only keep a portion of the blockchain data, which makes them less resource-intensive. They rely on full nodes to verify transactions. This is similar to how a smartphone app can interact with a server to fetch data without needing to store everything on the device. Now, let's look at how these nodes communicate and work together. When a transaction is initiated, it is broadcasted to all nodes on the network. Here's where things get really interesting. Imagine you're sending Bitcoin to a friend. Once you hit send, this transaction is sent to all nodes. Full nodes validate the transaction by checking if you have enough balance and if the transaction follows the network's rules. If everything checks out, they add it to their copy of the blockchain. This process is known as consensus. In the case of Bitcoin, nodes use a consensus algorithm called proof of work. This means that nodes compete to solve complex mathematical problems to validate blocks of transactions. The first one to solve the problem gets to add the new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly created Bitcoins. Let's break down this process a little further with some numbers. As of October 2023, the Bitcoin network has over 15,000 full nodes worldwide. This decentralized structure ensures that no single entity has complete control over the network, making it more secure and resistant to attacks. Now, you might be wondering how this applies to real-world scenarios. Let's take a look at a few examples where blockchain nodes are making a significant impact. 1. Cryptocurrencies. As we mentioned, Bitcoin is the most popular example. However, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Litecoin also rely on nodes to process transactions and maintain their networks. 2. Supply chain management. Companies like IBM are using blockchain nodes to improve transparency and traceability in supply chains. By using a blockchain network, all parties involved can access real-time data about the products, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. 3. Healthcare. In the healthcare sector, blockchain nodes can securely store patient records, allowing healthcare providers to access accurate and up-to-date information while preserving patient privacy. 4. Voting systems. Some organizations are exploring blockchain technology for secure voting systems. By using nodes, they can ensure that votes are accurately recorded and tamper-proof, increasing trust in the electoral process. To wrap things up, we've learned that blockchain nodes are vital components of a blockchain network. They validate transactions, maintain a copy of the blockchain, and ensure the security and integrity of the system. Whether through full nodes or lightweight nodes, these participants work together to create a decentralized and transparent environment. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into technology and blockchain. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.